Welcome friends, my name is Yuri. This lesson about how market really built the truth which no one tells you. I will show you why price rise, why price drop, why sometimes the stop loss hunt. It's important topics which you need to know before you start your trading, because it doesn't matter what strategy you use, but still you need to know why price move, in what areas there would be a huge areas of energy. That's why let's start. I ask you right now, smash like button because it is promotes this video on YouTube. Also, there would be a lot of useful links below which you need to open. Let's go. About markets, it doesn't matter what market you trade. On every market, we can do only one thing, two things. We can only buy and sell. It doesn't matter what market you trade. You can trade stocks, commodities. Just open your platform, or take your phone and open your platform and take a look that you can do only two things. You can buy and sell. Yes, you can set stop losses, pending orders, but still, you can do only this stuff. I just want to share with you this Bitcoin, as you can see, platform where you can see exactly how, at this moment, how people open, buy and sell. As you can see here, this stuff, it shows to us that someone opened this position on Bitcoin. Maybe we can open Binance Wallet in a few seconds. I would take a look. As you can see, only buy and sell. And you can ask yourself how market really works. Why price move? Price can move only in the cases when someone buy or sell. Price rise when people buy, and price drop when people sell. But still, you can see that only price can rise when someone buy and price drop when someone sell. It's important. Okay, how people can buy? You always, before you start your trading, you always need to ask yourself in what cases people buy. You can open a position like buy market. At this moment, you just open a platform and you push buy. You open buy and it push price up. But also, my friends, there would be a places when people close sell. When you close sell, it's also buy. I would like to show you a story on Tesla, which was a few months ago. Tesla, where is Tesla? I would like to show you one story on a Tesla which happened in this area, and I would like you to tell why price rose up so dramatically. Because imagine, as we spoke with you, that when you sell, you hold sell. Just imagine many people open sell, and when they close sell, they buy back. And take a look on this chart. Here, as I remember, there were nearly 20 billions on sell. On every exchange, the information data, how much stocks in sell, because about how sell works, there would be another lesson, how sell works. And imagine, people accumulated here 20 billions positions on 20 billions in sell. They had desire, they had a hope that price would drop. And take a look what happened after that. As you can see, price rose back dramatically. And take a look on this last candle. Take a look on this sharp candle. Let's open volume. And you would understand why this candle had happened. Because it's really simple when you understand all of this stuff. Friends, imagine those who open sell inside, they start quitting because some of them like open sell in this area. Some of them open sell here, some of them here, some of them here. Most of them open sell here. When price hits this, many of those who were here, their stop losses hit it. Take a look above this level. Many of them who open inside set stop losses above. And when you close your sell, you buy. You open buy. And for big players, for guys who control all this market, they don't need to push instrument all the time. They need just to start the snowball, because it works like a snowball. Because imagine when we would open this market orders, and you can see that, for example, we have price, and take a look, here is a pending orders on every area of a price. Let's do it here, on every area of a price. And if big players know that above this level, there are a lot of stop losses of those who open sell, they just need to break it. Because how it will work? Buyers will absorb all sellers which we have here inside, and would move a price. That's why big guys need just to start at friends. They don't need to move the price all the time. And what happened here, as you can see, when sellers' stop losses were hitting, price rose up dramatically. Because at the same moment, there are a lot of people who open buy. And when you, what's the main idea? Imagine yourself let's remind yourself, when you open a position, you open buy position, here. And when price goes into your favor, how do you behave yourself? Like, you can close part of position here, you can close buy take profit, you can move stop loss into break even, like you don't hurry up. But what most of people do when there are stop losses? They get out immediately, all position out. Yeah, some people use martingale strategy. By the way, below this video there will be a lesson about martingale, how one woman lost more than 6 billions, and that's example for you what you shouldn't do. Also, there would be example of breakout and false breakout strategy. Link on that videos will be below. Watch and you will understand all of this. Once more, when you get out by stop losses, you will be aggressive. And imagine that here, for example, like here, could be not only you and like 30,000 of people and they stop losses, they aggressively get out. And when they aggressively get out, you always will see such candles. Such candles, it's only stop losses. It's stop losses only, my friends. And take a look here. Why here price last candle were so sharp and powerful? Because on stock market, if you open, for example, sell here without leverage, just imagine, even if you open sell in this area without leverage, let's inside, price rose up nearly 64%. If you open sell without leverage, that means your account would you would have only 35% of your account. But just imagine if you used only double leverage. Only double leverage, if you would use here, that means you blow out your account, whole account. And here, and that's how market work. Big guys who control all of this, they see that here area of stop losses of those who would close their account, and that's the best place for them for volume absorbing. Because once more, we spoke to you, if here those who open sell, they quit, they buy back. What's going on with market? When they buy back for someone, there always must be someone who is another hand. Like price, as you can see here on this stuff, it's example for you how really exchange works. Like people, as you can see, someone buy, someone sell. It's impossible that price would move without both sides, as you can see here. They're always volume, as you can see, red and green. Buy and sell, buy and sell. That's example how volume absorbing. And once more, my friend, and here, just imagine if you would be some guy in Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan, and you see that a lot of people buy here, and you see that price rose up dramatically. For you, it is maybe one of the best places where you can accumulate position for a short. And when retail buy here, big guys just absorb their volume and open sell and sell to them. And they just imagine they could absorb huge volume here, as you can see, and started. As you can see, after that, after such sharp moves, price always create good and powerful pullback. Even in my Discord group, by the way, we have a community, we have a group where I teach people how to trade properly. And take a look how I closed October plus 34%, 15%. All trades which I do, we have in Discord for our members. We share, so soon we will do a call with members to speak about this. How we made these results, how to trade different strategies. That's why below this video there would be a link. Write to my team and ask about community if you want to be in, or ask about educational program and become better trader, because I promise I can save you a lot of money and years in your life, because most of the people don't know even these basic things about buyers and sellers. You need to know it. And once more, take a look here, my best patterns. As you can see, take a look on this. If a lot of people, a lot of retail people, not only retail, also banks, institutional firms. Just imagine it was a daily chart, euro, Australian dollar. As you can see, price were in this range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because we have only 5 trading days on Forex. And just imagine their stop losses here, because most of them set their stop losses in this area. And when those who open buy, especially retail traders, when those who open buy, they quit when price hits this. And after that, take a look what happened. I hope, my friends, you would understand this. Right now, write in comment below, is it understandable for you? Because I didn't record this lesson any before. And if you need something more, if you need something to clarify, please write a comment or write that yes, it's clear, it's understandable, because I want you to understand it's the foundation of all exchanges. Doesn't matter what you will trade, stocks, cryptos, currency pairs. Do you see how it's beautiful? When you would understand it, it would be game changing for you, I promise. And take a look what happened to them. Those who open buy, they open buy. And when price broke this level, they stop losses here. And those who open buy, they close their buy position and they sell. Like you bought your iPhone and price rose up, you sell. Or price dropped down, you sell. Like there are always two types of position. You buy and sell back. Only like there only a term must be. And take a look here. They stop losses of buyers. It is a powerful sell. But as you can see, price didn't drop. But price made exactly opposite. That means someone absorbs this volume. Someone absorbs that volume, and because if you work in some institutional bank firm, it doesn't matter, and you need to buy, for example, 10 million lots, and no one sell to you. No one sell to you. And if you would buy it by market, your price would rise up dramatically, and for you it will be horrible. And what would you do? Yes, you would do the same. You would do such traps. That's example for you how stop hands works. That's why you should avoid it. That's why you should learn how to trade false breakout strategy. By the way, we have a lesson about false breakout. Link would be below, and also I teach how to use it. That's why, my friends, use it. And take a look here. And I can show you different examples, a few seconds. I would share with you one more example, and after that we would finish. Take a look on this example on British pound, Swedish krona. Take a look how price dropped down dramatically. And take a look on this last paranormal candle. It was 239% of ATR. And take a look how it was sharp. Do you think big guys, big players, would open sell here? Do you think institutional banks would open sell here? No, it is how stop losses works, because many people who trade Forex on other instruments, they use big leverages. And this how stop outs, and here it is a stop outs. And when people, retail especially, they stop losses, when they, for example, they open sell, and they stop sell when they, or they open buy, my apology, buy, and their stop losses would be new volume. When they open buy here, they need to close it with sell and someone absorb it. And take a look what after that had happened, how price rose up dramatically. Okay, my friends, I see it's 15 minutes. I think I will record additional lessons in the future if this lesson will get at least 1,000 likes and at least 100 comments, and you would write that yes, you would like to hear more about this type of strategy. And also I can show you this type of strategy which I call paranormal finish if this lesson within next month will get 1,000 likes. That's why it depends on you, will it be or not. Also write in a comment what you think about this, and subscribe on this YouTube channel, because you see so many lessons which we record for you. It is for free and you will get notifications. That's why subscribe, turn on notification, and watch our lessons. See you, my friend. Have a good trading. Bye.